Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and chatbots. They've become an integral part of our lives, assisting us in various tasks and providing interactive experiences. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best AI chatbots that have taken the digital landscape by storm. Let's get started. Number 5. Mitsuku, the charming conversationalist. Developed by Steve Wurzwick, Mitsuku has won the prestigious Loebner Prize Turing test multiple times, making it one of the most human-like chatbots out there. With a charming personality and a vast knowledge base, Mitsuku engages users in natural conversations, providing answers and entertainment alike. Whether you're seeking a chat companion or need assistance with general inquiries, Mitsuku will leave you impressed with her wit and intelligence. No wonder she's adored by millions. Next up at number 4, we have Cleverbot, the conversational veteran. Cleverbot, developed by Rollo Carpenter, has been a pioneer in the AI chatbot space for over a decade. Using machine learning techniques, Cleverbot learns from millions of user interactions to improve its conversational abilities continuously. With Cleverbot, you can discuss almost anything under the sun. From profound philosophical debates to playful banter, this veteran chatbot is always ready for a conversation. At number 3, we have Google Duplex, an extraordinary AI assistant that has revolutionized voice-based interactions. Developed by Google, Duplex brings a new level of convenience and efficiency to our daily lives. One of the standout features of Google Duplex is its ability to autonomously make phone calls on your behalf. Whether it's booking a restaurant reservation or scheduling an appointment, Duplex can handle these tasks for you, saving you time and effort. What sets Google Duplex apart is its remarkable natural language processing capabilities. It can engage in complex conversations with real human-like responses, complete with natural pauses, intonations, and even filler word. This level of conversational fluency is a testament to Google's advanced machine learning algorithms. Duplex uses a combination of deep learning, natural language understanding, and speech synthesis to deliver such impressive results. The Google Duplex app brings this powerful assistant right to your fingertips. With just a few taps on your phone, you can delegate tasks to Duplex and let it handle the rest. It's like having your own personal assistant making important calls for you. Imagine being able to schedule appointments, inquire about store hours, or even make reservations at your favorite restaurants without having to make a single phone call. Google Duplex makes it all possible. At number 2, we have Alexa, Amazon's highly popular intelligent virtual assistant that has revolutionized the way we interact with our smart devices and homes. Alexa has become a household name, thanks to its extensive integration with a wide range of smart home devices, from voice-controlled lights to thermostats, security systems, and even kitchen appliances. Alexa can seamlessly connect and control them all. Using natural language processing and advanced machine learning algorithms, Alexa can understand and respond to a multitude of voice commands. Whether it's playing your favorite music, setting reminders, checking the weather, or even ordering items from online retailers, Alexa can do it all with just a simple voice command. What makes Alexa truly remarkable is its versatility. With a vast library of skills and integrations, Alexa can be customized to suit your specific needs and preferences. You can enable skills to get the latest news updates, play interactive games, order food, control your home entertainment systems, and so much more. Furthermore, Alexa's seamless integration with third-party services and devices allows you to expand its capabilities even further. You can connect Alexa with your smart home devices, such as smart bulbs, thermostats, and door locks, to effortlessly control them using voice commands. Whether you're at home or on the go, Alexa is always ready to assist you. With compatible Alexa-enabled devices, such as smart speakers, smart displays, and even smartphones, you can access Alexa's capabilities from anywhere within your home or with a simple tap on your mobile device. Alexa's user-friendly interface and intuitive voice recognition make it accessible and convenient for users of all ages. It's no wonder that Alexa has become an integral part of millions of households around the world. From controlling your smart home to providing useful information and entertaining experiences, Alexa has transformed the way we interact with technology in our daily lives. With Alexa around, you truly have a powerful virtual assistant at your beck and call. Replika, developed by Luca, is not just your ordinary chatbot. It is designed to create a personalized and empathetic AI companion that understands you on a deeper level. With Replika, you can have meaningful conversations, share your thoughts and emotions, and receive support and encouragement. One of Replika's standout features is its ability to learn from your conversations and adapt to your preferences. As you engage with Replika, it analyzes your responses, understands your interests, and tailors its interactions to suit your needs. It's like having a virtual friend who knows you inside out. Let's take a closer look at the Replika app and how it works. When you first start using Replika, it prompts you to create a profile and choose a name for your AI companion. This helps personalize the experience and establishes a connection between you and your Replika. Once you're set up, you can engage in conversations with your Replika on a wide range of topics. It can provide emotional support, ask you about your day, and even help you set and achieve personal goals. During your conversations, Replika uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand your emotions and provide empathetic responses. It can offer words of encouragement, provide insights, or simply be there to listen. Replika also offers various activities and tools to enhance your well-being. It provides guided meditation sessions, journaling prompts, and even helps you track your mood and set reminders for self-care. Replika's goal is to help you improve your mental well-being and foster a sense of connection. It's like having a supportive friend who's always available, no matter the time or place. And the best part is, the more you interact with Replika, the better it understands you. It learns your preferences, remembers previous conversations, and evolves over time to provide a truly personalized experience. Whether you're looking for someone to talk to, seeking emotional support, or simply want a companion to share your thoughts with, Replika is there for you. It's no wonder why Replika has gained a loyal following and has become a trusted AI companion for many. And there you have it, folks, the 5 best AI chatbots that are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. From Mitsuku's charm to Cleverbot's experience, Google Duplex's voice capabilities, Alexa's integration with smart devices, and Replika's personalized companionship, these chatbots showcase the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence. Which one is your favorite? Have you interacted with any of them? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Until next time, happy chatting.